For you to effectively use a fire extinguisher, you have to know which class of fire you are dealing with and the type of extinguisher you have. An extinguisher has several components. It has the cylinder, it has the handle, it has the nozzle, there is a pin, a seal, and inspection sticker. So in case of a fire, you go look for an extinguisher, hold it, you look at where the fire is, ensure that your back faces the nearest exit. Get hold of the handle, remove the seal and the pin, then you get hold of the nozzle, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and then you sweep this fire, aiming at the base. So the procedure is pass, P-A-S-S. Pull the pin, you pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and then you sweep, and you'll be able to extinguish that fire.